Now it's time to zoom into the microscopic world of the tiny creatures that inhabit our everyday lives.
There's nothing like collapsing into a freshly made bed at the end of a long, hard day. Crisp sheets, plump pillows, a warm, clean place where you can escape the grime and the grind of day-to-day existence.
Or can you? Just how clean is your bed? Well, you might be horrified at the things you can sleep with. Meet Harry and his chums. Harry's a dust mite, or Dermatophagoides terranicinus. Try saying that 10 times quickly. He's an ugly sucker, but fortunately, you'll never come face to face with him. At just 0.2 to 0.3 of a millimetre long, it's virtually impossible to see him with the naked eye. And he'll certainly never see you because he hasn't got any eyes.
In the average bed, there can be anything from 100,000 to 2 million dust mites.
It's extraordinary. And a 2-year-old pillow, the weight of it, 10% of it could be dead mites and their excretions.
Ew. And you know what they live on?
Dead skin cells.
Yeah, if it wasn't for them, we'd probably be wading around in dead skin.
They do a great job.
Yeah, good housekeepers. Bye, Harry. Keep up the good work.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Sirena, harness the power of nature. Mother Nature has her own unique way of taking care of all the pollutants outdoors. Indoors, that becomes more of a challenge. It's a fact that indoor air pollution is more hazardous to your health than the pollution outdoors. One of Mother Nature's most powerful cleaning forces outdoors happens to be water. We use water daily in our lives to clean ourselves and our belongings. We know water works. Therefore, it only makes sense to clean indoors using the same process. Water inspired the design and engineering of the most versatile, eco-friendly, healthiest vacuums on the market today. Introducing Sirena, the total home cleaning system. From its unique stylish look to its high quality ABS construction, Sirena is designed to clean like no other system. That's because Sirena is not just another vacuum cleaner. What makes Sirena different? The answer is its